Nod in agreement if you understand. Nod in agreement if you understand. All right, everything begins with your story. Remember?
The intense amount of cinnamon will drive your senses wild.
And I want to inspire you. I want to be your life.
You want to know what happened? Is this damn ass rock. Don't you just hate when that happens? See, look. You got thrown off your board. See the skid mark you made with the rock? And then here's the damn ass rock. You want to keep it and pee on it?
No, I want to live.
You can live.
You're really loyal to her, aren't you?
How could I not be? We might have our little truce, but I'll never forsake the gem I was made for.
To trust.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
You do it for him, and you would do it again. You do it for her, that is to say, you'll do it